Come on a solo date with me. After running a few errands, I was craving Indian food, kaya lang sarado yung restaurant na gusto ko i-try. So I ended up going to Army Navy and finally tried their birria quesadilla and mango salsa wings. Let's go! Before coming here pala, I also ordered an iced cloud brevet from Seattle's Best. This was pretty good but also pretty basic. It had a nice coffee kick, perfect sweetness and creaminess, but for 200 pesos, I probably wouldn't get it again anytime soon kasi feeling ko I can make something like this at home or baka feelingera and kurimpot lang talaga ako. My order finally arrived. I actually meant to order the birria tacos pero na-confuse ako and quesadilla pala yung nasabi ko. But no regrets naman as this was honestly so good. Cheesy, smoky, very well seasoned yung beef although feeling ko mas masarap if shredded yung beef. Dito kasi parang pag ground beef na. Not sure kung same ba sa tacos. In fairness rin sa consomme, ang sarap. More on tangy and savory profile. Not too salty or oily. Tapos may onion and green bits rin which I really like. Love the added texture then from the veggies. Tapos okay din yung guacamole